Bluey, 5 more 5 minute, 5 stories. The third one is Bluey Swim School. Bluey and her family are on holiday. Bingo. It's a bit dangerous to run by the pool, says Dad. Sorry, says Bingo and stops. But then Bluey runs in. Let's play swim school. Dad, Bluey is running by the pool, says Bingo. Don't be a dauber, says Dad. But Bluey is doing something dangerous, says Bingo. Confused. Shouldn't I dob then? Dad doesn't know how to answer that. Oh, chilly. Mom just shrugs. It's time for swim school. The students have to pass all the lessons in little fish before they can move up to big fish. Hello, darlings. I'm Karen, says the teacher. Mary Finder, Sharon, and Bevan are a family in the little fish class. Karen is teaching them to kick. When Bevan starts mucking around, Bevan is not doing it properly, dobs Sharon. Do it. Is Bevan doing anything dangerous? Asks Karen. Well, no. Then don't be a dauber, sweetie. The family keeps practicing kicking until Mary Finder disappears underwear. Karen, Mary Finder just poked me, dobs Bevan. Hands to yourself, please, young lady. Hang on, says Sharon. Shouldn't Bevan get in trouble for dobbing? I did. Yes, Bevan, no dobbing, says Karen. Shouldn't Sharon get in trouble for dobbing on me about dobbing on Mary Fonda? He asks. Oh, yes, bad Sharon. Karen has had enough. Okay, class, there is a new rule. No more dobbing. Unless someone is in danger, says Sharon. Karen notes. Remember, you are a family. Let's work together, says Bevan. When they work together, Mary Finder, Sharon, and Bevan are excellent little fish. They learn doggy, paddle, monkeying, and ninja kicks. Karen is very proud. Well done, puppets. You all get to move up to big fish. Good luck, says Karen. Wait, says Sharon. Are not you our teacher for big fish? Oh no. Margaret takes big fish, says Karen. Goodbye. I have a feeling we are not going to like Margaret, says Bevan. I'm Margaret. I'm not as nice as Karen. Don't worry about us. Karen taught us to work as a family and never to dob, says Sharon. Well, I like dobbing. If you don't dob, you won't pass. But I thought dobbing was bad, says Mary Finder. No, dobbing is good. The family doesn't think much of that. We are going to pass big fish without dobbing, but big fish is pretty hard. Margaret sits on you during backstroke, and while you are swimming across the pool, fail. She even blows on your ears while you are starfishing. Another fail. Sharon calls a family meeting. Margaret is a silly old watermelon head. I want Karen back. What if we just refuse to do what she says? Sharon suggests. Yeah, Bevan agrees. Let's stick together. It's a good plan, but before they can try it, Mary Finder dobs them in. Excellent dobbing, says Margaret. You just passed big fish. Mary Finder, Bevan shorts. Did you dob on us? Now everyone start to dob and no one gets better at swimming. Mary Finder called you a silly old watermelon head. Fail, but Sharon peeked in Marco Polo and again failed. Well, Bevan peed in the pool. Blug. Sharon, Margaret, and Mary Finder race to get out of the water. You two pass big fish. Margaret tells Sharon and Mary Finder, Bevan, you fail. Yeah, big grub. Mary Finder has passed the class, but something is not right. Dobbing on her family doesn't feel very good. If Bevan fails, then I want to fail too, Mary Finder says. Hi, yeah. She ninja kick she ninja kicks into the pool. I'm with Mary Finder. Well, fine, says Margaret. You all fail? Good one, sis. But then surprise. Welcome back to the little fish, says Karen. I'm so proud of you all. Why is the water warmer here? Oh, Bevan. Okay, bye bye.